Hey guys, had a lot of questions about my dimple dies on my pickup for the kick panels and the seat bases and all that. So what I do is I just make a cardboard cutout. I'll show you a picture of that. I'll put that in the video. Make a cardboard cutout, blast out some holes with my plasma, cut out the outside and clean it all up later. I got my screw holes where I'm putting in the what are they, the nut rivets, so that bolts right to the cab itself, and then I'll have another one right in here. But these I will show you. I'll get the piece here with the dimple die and all that here, and I'll get it out and show you. But this is what I rough do. So this will actually sit in the truck in the kick panel like that, and I'll put pictures of it all done. So this is my cardboard cutout. I trace it out, cut it out, make it fit real good, round everything I need to, kind of figure out where I want my dimples, and obviously reversed. That's what I get. So I did one side already. Yeah, so that's kind of the basic rough draft of it. Let me come over here. Got some. So hard to see it, isn't it? Let me get. All right, so here's the driver's side kick panel in. I mean, it's stout. I haven't, done any sound deadening behind it or anything, but so I got my nut zerts here, 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 and then there's a cross member here and a little hole here. That's why I did that one. But it fits. I mean, it fits good. Fits on the wall good. I haven't decided if I'm going to polish it, kind of get it bare steel and clear it, or if I'm going to paint it. But I like it. It's coming out good. Kind of add some character here. And then I also did the same thing down here along my seat base, and I'd like to get maybe a little more shape up in here. Here too, kind of cover up some of that. But that's just kind of a basic. I was trying it out. It seemed to work good. So yeah, that's the dimple die setup. So I had a few questions on how I'm doing the dimple dies. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought their knockout. I got some friends, some helpers today. And you basically just size your knockout to your dimple die, which there's not a whole lot of companies making them this way, and this one is awesome. The machine work on this is fantastic. So it's an 1.5 inch female and then a 1.5 inch male, and you separate them. The dog is getting here. So I mean, it's machined really well. So this company, Piper likes it. UTV Distribution sells these, and you can put a bolt through it, which is nice when you use the knockout from Harbor Freight. Let's see, I'm trying to do this one-handed for you. So you do that. I'll do a whole video of what I'm doing here, but so that comes off. Put your metal in there. This screws on the top after you get this on here. So yeah, so you just screw that on, and that's basically how it looks. And I'll do a couple here to show you, kind of give you an idea of what they look like, how it works. But it's super slick, fairly inexpensive to do the dimple dies. I like it. I've done quite a few now. So all right, I don't know how good this is going to show up. I'm trying to make it with the dogs in there and everything. So this is a 1.11 inch knockout. I put that on. I put my piece on, make sure I got it going the right way. So yeah, so it goes this way inside the truck. So I want to be knocking out this side. So you just put your piece teeth down. There's spacer kits and stuff you can use on this too. But this seems to work the best that I've found. Thread's a little gummy. Need to clean them, I think. So it's a long thread. I just kind of get it not too snug. Close the valve, and then you just pump on it. It's not real difficult. And I'm through. So it just pops out, gives you a nice clean hole. You just release it. Let's see here. Let's unscrew this. I'll just do this one real quick for you so you can see. So, yeah, it's super easy to do. UTV distribution, I can't say enough about that dimple die. It's sweet. I definitely got to get more of them. I only have one size right now, but that's what you end up with. Got a helper. So you end up with that and the punch out. So you take, putting my female on the bottom, that way I can kind of line it up. It seems to work pretty good that way. And then I drop my male in on the top. And put my spacer on. You just go backwards with that so it's not biting. And it just kind of acts like a little holder. And then you push this down. You can kind of see it go flat. I don't know if you can in the video. I need to get probably better footage, and I just go until I can't go anymore. And it kind of goes almost reverse. And then you just let it off, unscrew it. And this is super slick. I mean, I'm into this setup, not much. Probably less than $200 for everything. But I don't know if you can see it in the video. It gives you a nice dimple. Kind of on the back of it. Gives you a cool little flare. Real nice and clean. Easy to do. So that's UTV distribution. Awesome dimple die. So nice and clean work. I like to kind of wipe it down every now and then, put a little lube on it, so it doesn't stick. Doesn't seem to, but I didn't want to chance it. But here you go, UTV distribution dimple dies. Check them out. And then the Harbor Freight hydraulic driver kit works so good with it. That's what it is. If you have any more questions, hit me up. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I just do this for fun. So, working on my old pickup. Thanks, guys.